my dear class fellows, respectable teacher, and honorable chief guest, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I welcoming you all to our program. I am so happy to see you together. Her a big thanks to each and everyone present here for joining our program. Dear listeners, I heartily welcome for joining our program. I heartily welcome to our program present here and other relatives for joining our program. I hope the program will be great and successful. I hope the program will be. We'll enjoy the program. Thank you all the participants who worked really hard for this program. Have a good time. Thank you everyone for joining us.